Hey guys, welcome to my ratchet vlog.
Hey guys, it's me. Sorry I have really crazy hair today.
I really hope you can hear me. The air conditioning is super loud, like pretty sure you guys can hear that. But right now the basement is toe up from the flow up. And I have all this crap. But I'm gonna basically document the process of me packaging orders. I already packaged my first order. It looks like this. So beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. So basically this is the process. So I take the bubble mailer, but this order that I'm about to do, they ordered 4 oils. Love them so much. So take the package, put the label on it, right? Put the label on it. Then I write them a little thank you card. I got these cards from Target. I write them a thank you card, put it in an envelope, put that inside. I take the oil, I take the hair serum, I put that inside. Then I take my business cards. I put that inside. And then I take one of my stickers that I made on Avery. I put my little old labels to use because I was like, I'm not even using these anymore, so what are you gonna use them for? So I was like, let me just put my company business name on the labels, and then yeah. So I'm just gonna put it on time lapse and do as many as I can, and then come back and see what kind of progress we're making. So yeah. So, okay, I got the big package done. I fit 4 hair growth serums in here, and the thank you card, and the business card, all of that. So it looks cute. If anybody orders more than one, you'll definitely be getting this. And the perks of getting more than one is that you're gonna get 2-day shipping according to USPS. Yeah, priority mail, 2-day shipping. So let's continue. I literally have only done 2 out of 24. So let's keep going. 24, and I just finished the second to last order. So I'm gonna show you guys and walk you through the process of how I ship orders. This is what we have so far in the background. Those are 23 orders, so we're gonna do the 24th order together. So the first thing I do is click on the order. The next thing I do is put in how many ounces it is. It's about 4 ounces. And then I select first class mail. And then I select package. And then it basically says how much it's gonna be to ship. And then I just press create and print label. Okay, so this is the invoice. Okay, so the first thing I do is take the poly mailer, and then I take the person's address, and I do that first because I feel like it just looks neater that way, just in case. Then I take my sticker and I put it on the back. Okay. The next thing I do is take the oil and I take whatever wrapping. I take the oil, it's already in wrapping, but we're being extra careful. So I put it on the thicker side and then I roll it very tightly so the bubbles, I don't know, I just like this method, I guess. It kind of works. So I just realized that I ran out of tape. So, well, not ran out, but I put the tape in like little lines so I can just pick them up easily. Okay. So I'm gonna have to re-roll this because it's not as tight anymore. But I just tighten. Just tighten and roll it. And then I just put on the tape. Okay. It looks kind of ratchet, but better safe than sorry, and plus the sticker just makes it look, people are gonna rip this off anyways. It's just for presentation. So I put my little sticker on it, and then I put the, where'd it go? Okay, I'm not about to spend my whole day looking for it, so we're just gonna print another one. Don't even worry about it. Let's just, does it say the order number on the bag? 21? Order number, it doesn't even say. Sort by, it should be right here. It should be right here. Label. Print the packing slip. Reprint. Yeah. Print. Okay, got another one. So, have the oil inside. Put the packing slip inside. And then I write them a note. Okay, my eyes are getting really low because it's definitely almost 11 o'clock. So my eyes are getting low and I'm hungry. Okay, so then I grab a business card. Has a little discount code on it, but you're not gonna know it because you didn't order. So then I put the discount code with the thank you card that you won't know the code for. So order. And I close the card up. Then I put the person's name. Okay. Put the card with the packing slip in the oil. Ooh. Okay. And then I take off this little adhesive thingy. Then I fold. And boom. Package is ready to be shipped. So let me show y'all the pile I have done that's going to be shipped tomorrow. Yeah, so these are all my big order. There's my big order right here. So yeah, these are all of the orders. They're gonna be shipped tomorrow. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to retain your natural hair, look at me. Yeah, look at me in my eyes. If you want to retain the length of your hair, you need the Luxury Hair Serum. If you're having issues with bald spots, if you're having issues with no edges, you need the Luxury Hair Serum. So go to craftedcomplexions.com, and if you're watching this on YouTube, which, yeah, you are, use the discount code crafted for 10% off. Yeah, go get it. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Also, if you have any questions about business or you want to see anything business related, comment down below. Okay, bye.